South Florida's best locksmiths understands the challenging times we live in. There have been patio door break-ins as well as lock bumping. We know the stress and insecurity involved with a home invasion or a business break-in. And it's our goal to secure your home or business with the industry's highest quality locks and devices. Don't let your family or business be at risk. Some of our services include window locks, patio door locks, home safe installation, panic bars, exit devices, and alarms. We offer 24-hour emergency service with our licensed, bonded, and insured locksmiths. South Florida's best locksmiths service both Palm Beach and Broward counties. In Palm Beach, call 561-733-6299 or 561-499-2290. In Broward, call 954-480-6865 or 954-565-0065. We also offer a toll-free number at 1-800-975-2290. Give your family the peace of mind they deserve, and your business the security that these challenging times demand. Call us today for more information and to receive an estimate. South Florida's best locksmiths are waiting to serve you.